closet, which is kind of messy, but honestly, like, dude, clean girl aesthetics out, okay? That's copium, but like, it is what it is. My closet is giant. You cannot tell. This is the biggest closet I've ever been in. This is bigger than my room that I grew up in. I don't have a conclusion on that. Just know it's a pretty large closet. Today, we're packing for the Philippines, which I'm so excited about. I've never been to the Philippines. This is like a trip that I have honestly, like I think this is the most I've ever been excited for a trip. I'm pumped. I cannot wait to go. We leave tomorrow and I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. Basically, I've procrastinated packing. So I'm just gonna stay up all night. So I have what? 7 hours. That's a lie. I can't do math. I think we're there for like 7-ish days. We're in Manila for 2 days and Boracay for the rest. So I basically need like 2 outfits for the city, meet and greet, all that jazz. And then the rest are beach days, which is my favorite thing to pack for, but I actually feel like I don't have a lot of summer clothes. I have some. We'll see what I scrounge up. Something that I am trying to keep in mind is that it is super humid there, like 90% humidity. That is crazy. So I'm thinking like something light, something breezy, no jeans, skirts for sure. Yeah, let's begin. Okay, this is my first potential outfit that I'm like, oh, okay. It's just really simple. I feel like all white is very summery. It's really light and, you know, airy, breezy. So I feel like, okay, the humidity won't be so bad. I'm just wearing these sandals with it. I need to paint my toes. But I don't know, like to me, I'm like, oh, this is easy. Cute, simple. Like, I think that normally I probably wouldn't style this shirt like this with this skirt, but because I'll be in the Philippines where it's so humid that I will probably be wearing this skirt quite a bit, unless I wear pants. Unless I just wear pants. Okay, pause. Okay, this outfit is you know, like, it's like a little cooler. Like the belt comes with the jeans, but I probably wouldn't wear the belt. I just don't want to take the belt off in case I don't wear this, you know, because it's, you know, so just imagine no belt. But like, I personally love, because this shirt already hits me at the waist, so I love the idea of like wearing low-waisted jeans. In terms of shoes, like the jeans are pretty long, so I'm like, can I just get away with wearing my Hokas? Honestly, they like don't look that bad. You know, maybe like there's so much going on the top, you don't look at the shoes. Like the more that I look at this, I do not like it. Thumbs off. Honestly, sometimes my style changes so much that I can't keep up with it myself, that I don't know what I want to wear or what I want to look like or how I want to be received or how I want to express myself, and then I end up being like, these jeans are not it, I don't like this. Okay, I mean, it's kind of, I just, you know what I mean? Like, I think this is kind of cute. Let me put my shoes on. These pants are really long. I'm also very short, so. The only thing I don't like about these pants is there's like a zipper on this side and it creates this weird bulge. Huh? But I actually think like the shape, the contour, I don't know how I said that, but you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it works together. Well, now that I have these shoes with it, ew. What a particular outfit. Guys, you know what outfit I'm gonna wear? I'm gonna wear the skirt. I'm gonna wear the white skirt. Done. Fine. That's fine. We've done it. I'm changing. It's literally been an hour. Like, I think setting this whole thing up, getting it up, I'm ready to move on. Okay, outfit number 2. I love this shirt, so I basically really want to wear it. And I also love these jeans with this outfit, so I honestly, the only thing is that I really want to wear these Hokas. I just got them, and honestly, I think Hokas are f***ing ugly, but they finally made a shoe that I'm like, you know what? Not too bad. And I don't want my feet to hurt. Like, I always sacrifice my feet. My feet are always hurting like a little bit. But I'm like, you know, whatever. Fashion first, beauty is pain. But I'm trying, you know, I'm trying to be like, ooh, what if I just like wear the Hokas? What if I just get it to work? Like, let's just pretend. You know, also my jeans are so long on me in general. Jeans in general. Everything is long on me because I'm so damn short that, you know, maybe you just like won't see them. Also, I really like the look of the belt, like not buckled. Like, I like this casual feel. Okay? Hokas. Hi, baby. I'll be back at, okay? I know I'm like really far. They feel a little, to me, like goofy. Like, I feel like goofy. But like, what if I'm just so hot on the top that you don't look at my shoes? You know? That's the ideal. Because I want to wear these. And like, yeah, I think it works. You know, this outfit, kind of sporty. Like, if I was to take a photo, if I was to post for a photo. Okay, pause. You would just think white tennis shoes. I don't care. I'm wearing these. Outfit number 2. Okay. It's probably been another hour, maybe 45 minutes. Something like that, you know, I'm exaggerating. I have been trying to cook up an outfit because for the DSG meet and greet, we're all gonna wear DSG merch. So I'm trying to make an outfit that's like very me, but also still wearing the merch. So I cut Toast's shirt. Hope he's okay with that. I don't know, I have an obsession with cutting clothes. Like, for example, I cut this old OTV sweatshirt so that it was like off the shoulders. And like sometimes when I get tired of clothing, I just cut it. Not that I'm tired of this, but like I just wanted to cut it because I felt like it would be a little more me. Really, honestly, I added leg warmers because these shoes are not my style, but they're so good for my feet that I'm really determined to wear them. Okay, so like look, okay, let's give like, okay, woo. If I'm gonna be really honest, this outfit feels like 3 outfits put together and then simultaneously, like I can't tell if this is cute. I'm actually stuck. I'm like, oh, did I cook too much? Is too much going on? Or maybe it all works. Like this, I think is really cute. Leg warmer's cute. I actually think the skirt is like too athletic to go with academic. Or does it work? Like these, I like this stuff to add texture. I don't know. No, I literally don't know. You know what? I do know. I think that if I was to go walk over to my friends and be like, guys, give me your opinion, they'd be like, ooh, the skirt does not go with the shirt. I just like the shape of the skirt. I don't like the color of the skirt. I'm really trying to hide my focus. I am. The longer I look at this, the more I understand that if this were all in black and white, it would be a really cute outfit. But it's not. So now I have to keep trying. I think I'm gonna just change the skirt. I'm getting lost in this closet. I don't know how to explain this to you guys, but like because I'm filming this and I'm not playing music, I'm entering a dark place right now. It's quiet in here, spiraling. Anyways, this is a skirt. Technically, I think this matches better, but this is giving actual I'm going to school. And that's not the vibe. Like this is already so cut. We need this skirt to be like really short, but it's not. Also, I hate the leg warmers with this. This is not it. This is not it. Unless I can like roll this. Okay. Wait. There's something here. It makes the skirt shorter, which I think was necessary. It makes it less uptight. It's more casual. Guys, I think this is ugly. I took the leg warmers off. Also, I tried to make it tighter, you know, like, no, who cares about what the back looks like? You know what I mean? I tied it with a shoelace, but like, something is not right. Something ain't right. It feels really boxy. Then I think the gray skirt, because it was kind of like cinched, it brought in such a nice figure, like a nice silhouette, that this is not doing it. I need other options. I don't know what's cute anymore. I've actually lost all sense of style. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I really wish that this was like a live. I wish I was streaming this, because what I desperately need right now is opinions. These leggings are not doing it. Why don't leg warmers look good on me? They're such a cute thing. Love them. Love them on brat dolls. Love them on other women. Why don't they look like, what am I doing wrong? Is it because I'm short? What if I make them higher? That feels weirder. I got short girl problems. You know what it is? You know what I think it is? It's because I'm trying to style these goddamn hokas and they're messing everything up. I don't even wear bows. I mean, maybe, but like, maybe I need to wear black leg warmers. I'm losing it. I look like I'm wearing a cast. I look like I broke my leg and I'm wearing a boot. What the hell am I cooking? I have to ditch the hokas. I can't wear these. They don't work. I think they're ugly. Like, even if I don't wear, okay, I hate that look. Like, it ain't me. Okay. Listen up. I think I know why I'm having such a hard time. It's because when you go on a vacation, when you go traveling, it's like you don't want to bring a lot of shoes. You want to bring like 2 shoes, you know? And so trying to make all my outfits work with 2 pairs of shoes, 3 pairs of shoes, it's hard. Anyway, I'm trying this skirt with these shoes. Doesn't work. Because I don't want to bring 700 pairs of shoes. Now we're back to square one. It's a good thing that I am pulling an all-nighter. Ew. You know what the thing is? I could cut the shirt more. I could cut off the sleeves. This is giving like I go to boarding school. I don't go to boarding school. What the hell? Ugh. I don't know who this is. I don't know who I am. I think I did it. We're back, but with different shoes. Like I feel like the platform shoes make it cute. Tie in the dark from the. I don't. No. I actually have to go get somebody else's opinion. I'll be back. Okay, don't worry. Guys, this is cute. This is cute. Sydney says, that's cute. And I said, yes. She said, hokas don't work with that outfit. I said, true. And she said, I like this. I'm like, yes. So, great. We've done it. Now, technically, guys, that's only 2 outfits because I'm going to wear this day 2. Well, technically speaking, I'm going to wear the little turtleneck outfit? It doesn't matter. Are you listening? Is it even, you know, I'm going to talk anyways. If my editor thinks it's good, then it is. And whatever. So basically, day 1, we land. 6 p.m. rolls out. If we decide to go out, I'm going to wear that little turtleneck with those jeans. That's like my casual day 1 outfit. Day 2 outfit, when I'm like, yeah, okay, day 2, technically. Day 2 in Manila? Wait, do we have 3 days in Manila? I don't know. Okay, from my understanding, we have 1 full day in Manila to ourselves. No obligations. That's gonna be white outfit, skirt, white shirt, cute, okay? And then day 2, when I meet everyone, we're having a meet and greet for DSG. DSG! I'm gonna wear this. This, I feel cute. I feel comfortable. I feel great in this. I feel like I'm rocking it. Okay. That's 3. I just said 3. That's 3 outfits. Oh, that's, guys, no, now is the easy part. Now is beach. Whenever I say like beach, I think of I'm just beach, but I am gonna be like Ken. I am going to just be beach. Okay, fun part, we make little fun summer outfits. Yes, my favorite part. Hold on, I'll get this, I will. It will be so good for the transition. Ladies and gentlemen, we've made it to beach. Anyways, she's cute. She speaks for herself. Fabulous. I do love it though. It's really simple. But yeah, she's cute. Anyways, next. All right, dress number 2. Honestly, this dress isn't really flattering. Like, it just kind of hugs me a little weird. But also, I'm just kind of done with wearing things that only flatter me. Like, I want to just wear what I want to wear. If I like the dress, I like the dress. And I like the dress. So, she's cute. I just love the, like, gradient of blues. You can't, well, whatever. She's really long. But again, flip-flops. Flip-flops because we're just beach. Okay, this is basically the other white outfit, but with a tank top. So it's like a little different. Also, these are just like, honestly, I feel like I'm not gonna wear half of these because I'm gonna just sit my beach in bikini. But in the off chance that I don't and that we do go out, I'll be prepared. I know I'm not supposed to wear these straps like this, but I actually really like it because I feel like it's just like, makes it that much more casual. I don't know if this screams beach, but I found this in my closet because I just thrifted it and I forgot about it because I got it washed and then I put it away. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna like bring this for this trip, but like it's kind of a cute outfit. Like, I have little boots. I wish I could. This camera angle is really not the best. Like, this is just like, it's kind of weird. I don't know, the angle's a little odd. So I'm trying to really, you get the gist. Anyways, I'm not bringing this probably, but like in the future if I need an outfit. Okay, I won't lie, this is a little wrinkly because it's been sitting on my floor, but I love a good baby tee and like, it's just like, it's just simple, you know? I'm really trying to wear this skirt, can you tell? You know, it's just like whatever. Or I could even wear this with, there's fuzz all over this. Shorts. You wear these with shorts? I don't care what anyone says. I love this look. It reminds me of when I was in preschool in Hawaii and I would look at girls and they would look like this. Okay, baby tee, t-shirt, like baby tee t-shirt. What am I saying? Getting dressed overwhelms me. But you know what I mean? Like t-shirt, short. I'm like, there's something about it. It's as simple as it gets and yet I love it. Also, you guys know how much I love platform shoes because I'm a short girly. So not only do I have a white pair of flip-flops, I only got these because I remember my mom specifically wearing platform flip-flops when I was like 10. And that really set me up. Anyways, I'm just showing you how much I love baby tee shorts combo. Like am I even in frame? Hope so. I love it. I just love it. I don't know. I just fucking love casual. And yet not at all sometimes. Sometimes I'm extra. I really don't know. It's just the vibe. I have beach, let's go get away. Stuck in my head. Because all I'm thinking about is beach. Okay. I'm just like a bikini cover up. I'm probably gonna, I actually have a matching pair of pants. All right. I'm actually so tired. Honestly, it's been like 2 hours since the last clip because I randomly started cutting clothes. Yeah, I get kind of weird. I just like when I don't like a piece of clothing, I'm like, I could cut that. I really should learn how to sew. Anyways, I picked up the bikinis that I'm gonna wear. Boom. Well, actually, I'm gonna overpack bikinis because, like, I don't know, what if I'm not feeling one that day, and I so like, no, yeah, okay, that's one. And then, you know, just a really simple 2, maybe just want to wear a comfy green one. Or I love this one because it's so comfortable, and there's just something like kind of sporty about it that I really do love, which I'm really not showing you very well. Something like that, you know. And then I have this fun flower one. You know, just imagine, because I'm not holding them right, so just imagine what they look like. Another one. I just love the color. A little brown onesie that I have yet to wear because my boobs kind of pop out in it. But like when I'm like around my friends, if my nipple show, like I do not care. But like if I'm like out in public, I care a little bit. Another one. I'm bringing a lot of bikinis. Bringing options. This is upside down, but like you get the gist. And then I'm bringing like some cute jewelry, maybe some like, I packed all these, what are they called? Body chains? Waist chain? What are those called? I'm actually so tired. It's like 1 a.m. I think. I don't even know what time it is. I might take a nap. I have work to do, actually. I need to do some work. that I need to send in. Bro, I don't know, you know, whatever. Anyways, that's really it, guys. I'm done. I've done all I need to do. I bet you I can pack one more dress. Because like, what if we go to dinner? Okay, this is a dress that I've been wanting to wear. This one I've already worn on vacation, but it's like such a good, cute vacation dress. I'm not gonna try them on because I'm getting so lazy, so just like, imagine them. Well, guys, I'll catch you in the Philippines.